Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about change of state of matter. Previous classes we already study about the change of state of matter, that is evaporation, condensation, freezing. These all are the process by which matter change into one form to another form. One more is melting. Melting process, when an ice cube is taken out of the freezer, it starts to melt. It slowly changes to water. Change of a solid into liquid on heating is called melting. Ice cream, butter, chocolates and cheese also melt on heating. You have to see that in the activity 2 to demonstrate the change in states of matter. What are the materials required? That is the water, ice tray, pan with lid. What is the procedure? Make sure that you perform this activity in the supervision of an adult. Take some water in the ice tray and keep it in the freezer. Wait for 1 to 2 hours and then take out the ice tray. The liquid water would have changed to ice. Consider this step as step A. Keep few ice cubes in a plate on a table for some time. The ice would start changing to water. Again, consider this step as step B. Take this water in a pan and boil the water. Cover the pan with lid when the water starts to boil and steam arises from it. Consider this step as step C. With the help of a pair of tongs, you have to pick up the lid and move it slightly above the boiling pan. Some water droplets would be seen on the inside of the lid. Consider this step D. What are the observations? What do you observe from this activity? That the change in state of matter. That means one state change to another state and then it comes back. In the case of water, water change, the ice change into water and then water change into water vapor. Again, when the water vapor cool, it comes down in the form of water, and again when water is freezes, then it change into the ice. So you see that observation in step A, when we cool water to a certain temperature, it change into ice, that is a solid state. Process of freezing. In step B, when ice cubes are kept outside at room temperature, it will melt into water. Again, by the process of melting. In step C, when water is heated, it changes into steam, gaseous state, by the process of evaporation. In step D, when the steam is allowed to cool, it changes into water, that is a liquid. Again, by the process of condensation. Conclusion. So matter change its form from one state to another, that is called the change of state of matter, and it is conversible. The solid change into the liquid by melting, and the liquid again change into the solid by freezing. You see in the table, liquid change into the gas by evaporation, and this gas change into the liquid by condensation process. So when substances are heated, their particles gain energy and start vibrating faster as each particles take up more space during vibration due to increase in movement. There is expansion of the substance. There is the expansion of the substance. When we heat the substance, it will expand. On the other hand, when a substance is cooled, the movement of its particles slows down and it takes less space, so the substance contracts. So today it is enough for you. Thank you.